everyone. The iPhone 11 is one of those iPhones that came out a couple of years ago, and you might be trying to figure out if you should go through and install iOS 26.2 on your iPhone 11. Now, here's the situation that we're in. I pretty much am kind of confirmed for the most part that if you already are on iOS 26, if you have an iPhone 11 and you're already on iOS 26, then you should definitely install iOS 26.2. I think that definitely makes the most amount of sense. There isn't really a huge reason why you shouldn't consider installing it if you're already on iOS 26. That includes 26, 26.0.1, 26.1, any of those types of updates. I think it makes a lot more sense to basically install 26.2. On the flip side, right, if you're on iOS 18, if you're on iOS 18.7.3 or any version of iOS 18, I am pretty much in the camp that you probably should not install iOS 26 just yet. And I would say that you're much better off if you install a version of software like iOS, 18.7.3 rather than iOS 26. And the reason for that is because from what I can see, I think you're going to be getting a more stable type of experience, a much better type of experience for the most part on iOS 18.7.3. And that is kind of the direction I'd recommend kind of going down. I think iOS 26 is good, but I think it still needs a lot of work. And that's why I would recommend for you to probably install iOS 26.2 if you're already on iOS 26 on your iPhone 11 rather than, but for the most part, for everyone else, I'd probably recommend installing iOS 18. So from that side, that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.